This dance is called Love Will Do It. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance with one restart. Starting on the right foot with a vine to the right. Now with this vine, rather than crossing behind, we're actually going to cross in front. So you're going to step your right to the side, cross that left over the right, step the right to the side, and then point the left to the left side. We're then going to vine back to the left, so you can step the left to the side, cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, and then touch your right heel forward on that diagonal 130 into the corner. That set of steps once more then. Vine into the right. 7, 8. Side, cross, side, point, side, cross, side, heel. You're going to walk back 3 steps, right, left, right. You're then going to touch the left forward as you lean slightly back. Then step the left in place, step the right beside the left, and twist your heels out to the right, back to centre. That set of steps once more then, walking back on that right. 7, 8, back, 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 touch, step, close, twist, twist. Let's add those 2 sections together. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, cross, side, point, side, cross, side, heel. Back, 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 touch, step, close, twist, twist. You're going to add on a scissor step. So you can step the right to the side, step the left beside right, cross that right over the left. That's your scissor step. And then hold and clap. You're then going to rock to the side on the left. As you recover your weight onto that right foot, you're going to make a quarter of a turn to the right, step forward on the left, scuff the right. That set of steps once more then, scissor step off on the right. 7, 8, scissor, step, clap, rock, turn, step, scuff. Let's add that to the top. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, cross, side, point, side, cross, side, heel. Back, 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 touch, step, close, twist, twist. Scissor, step, clap, rock, turn, step, scuff. You're going into a jazz box with a cross. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on that left, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. It's your jazz box with cross. And a couple of side touches. So you step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, left to the side, touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, jazz box with a cross off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, touch. End of the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, cross, side, point, side, cross, side, heel. Back, 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 touch, step, close, twist, twist. Scissor, step, clap, rock, turn, step, scuff, cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, touch. That is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls, and I am going to speed it up slightly as we go around the walls because the music is just that little bit faster. Vining off on the right. 7, 8, side, cross, side, point, side, cross, side, heel. Back, 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 touch, step, close, twist, twist. Scissor, step, clap, rock, turn, step, scuff, cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, touch, side, cross, side, point, side, cross, side, heel, back, 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 touch, step, close, twist, twist, scissor, step, clap, rock, turn, step, scuff, cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, touch, side, cross, side, point, side, cross, side, heel, back, 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 touch, step, close, twist, twist, scissor, step, clap, rock, turn, step, scuff, cross, back, side, touch, side, touch. So hopefully you managed to follow that. That is your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 9 after 16 counts, so halfway through the dance. So basically you will adjust on your twists. That is the point that you restart. So wall 9 is in fact our front wall. Let's take you up to 16 counts, restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Lining off on the right. 7, 8, side, cross, side, point, side, cross, side, heel, back, 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 touch, step, close, twist, twist, restart, side, cross, side, point, side, cross, side, heel. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. Halfway through the dance, 16 counts into wall 9. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your restart information. Let's give it a go to bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8, side, cross, side, point, side, cross, side, heel, back, 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 touch, step, close, twist, twist, scissor, step, clap, rock, turn, step, step, cross, back, side, touch, side, cross, side, point, side, cross, side, heel, back, 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 touch, step, close, twist, twist, scissor, step, clap, rock, turn, step, step, cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, cross, side, back, cross, side, heel, back, 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 touch, step, close, twist, twist, scissor, step, clap, rock, turn, step, step, cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, cross, side, point, side, cross, side, heel, back, 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 touch, step, close, twist, twist, scissor, step, clap, rock, turn, step, step, cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, mind, back, scissors, jazz, line, back, scissors, jazz, line, back, scissors, jazz, line, back, scissors, jazz, to restart wall, restart line, Hope you managed that one.